gonna call police for me.
I cannot stand on the drum of the guns that you're talking, they moving like zombies.
Hey, we're just we're here at Walmart, which is our place. We're gonna get some candy.
I got. There's a monster.
There's a monster in the closet. That one video. That one video of Monsters Inc. and they're like going to make the noise and it's like
What? Bro, what are you talking about, man?
Ephraim.
Small one, and we have
How many more?
large
How many? How much is it?
This one's like 7. This one's like 5.
How about we get?
You know what I say about
How much money? How much money do you have?
I have 16
No, they're gonna be different tones.
How
This one's
about
gonna be
each
higher pitch. This one's
How
gonna be
about
lower
each
pitch.
person gets one air horn?
Only $5.
Only 5? Oh, bet. Get
Let's
in
do it. But I'm a cop of this one. Yeah, that one's
Okay, so how many do we have? We have enough for everyone, right?
Do we have enough for all of us?
Here.
They're
Take-
the same thing.
they're literally-
No, this one's 5. They're both 5.
Got the air horn. Ephraim's gonna probably send it. Put it all the way out of the car.
Wait a second.
Put it all the way out of the car, because that thing is loud. No, Ephraim, don't. All the way out. All the way out.
Alright, so we got the air horns, 2 for each person. We have that sick iPhone box with the fake iPhone in there.
Yeah.
We're gonna set it at the person's door, and then right when they open it, we're gonna blast the air horns and hopefully retrieve the iPhone.
Yeah.
So it doesn't get-
But if they do take the iPhone, we're gonna definitely get it back. I don't care what they do. We might have to break into the house to get it.
Yeah.
Alright, we made it to the neighborhood where we're gonna be doing the air horn at with the iPhone box.
Go like that.
Okay, right, we're going. Outside, I can't tell because my face is in a bush. Oh, I see him. Let's go play. Let's just dip. Ready? Go.
Run.
We are at the third house. We got the air horns again. Knock it hard.
Hey guys. Hey, what's going on? I'm not sure who's filming. Who? Okay. Oh, yeah. Not on our property, guys. Thanks. Yep.
I'll make sure I delete it.
Yeah, can you show me?
Let's hope it goes well.
Oh, you fucking idiot.
Okay, let's go talk to this lady.
No, that's not a lady. We can wait. Hold up. That guy opens the door and we just open. We can sneak in and go find it.
Yeah, okay.
You wanna do that? That'd be
They
such.
They just walked out.
He's holding a camera. He's like, nothing suspicious here.
Suspicious of you guys. Did you figure
Sure.
out that we had it? What if he takes the phone inside of it? Door that was so close.
Dude, oh my goodness.
That guy was definitely pissed. All right, go get the box first. Our phone's in there. Ma'am, we swear on our life, it's an iPhone box. It has. Yes, ma'am, I do have identification.
That you had you can.
Make a copy of it.
That's what I said, and give you the iPhone, you can sign it. I don't have time for this. Where do you live?
I live in this neighborhood.
Where?
And
I don't have time for this silly.
I don't want you to take it, ma'am.
Well then,
Okay, here. Listen, I promise you that is my iPhone Xbox. I'm sorry, ma'am, but that's my identification.
okay, if you're, I'm gonna.
I'll
make
even sign a
copy of it,
paper.
You're gonna sign it, and if you're not, then we don't do this. Call the police. I'm not involved in this.
Ma'am, I have video footage of us having the iPhone box with us. It's my iPhone box.
I suggested you call the police.
There's an iPhone in there, ma'am. I need that back.
And I said I'll give it back to you. I said I need a copy of that, and I'm going to have you sign the copy.
Can I trust you to give? No, ma'am. I need.
Police.
But technically, you're stealing from me.
I'm not dealing with this.
Okay, could I just have?
I'll call the police.
No, ma'am. Okay, here's.
Because right now you're harassing me at my door, and this is a private neighborhood.
I live in
Fairway Bay
this
is private. I don't need this.
Okay, do you need a copy of my identification?
That's what I said.
Okay, but you'll give me this identification back?
Of course I will. I don't want it.
Okay, here's my identification.
You'll get it back in 2 seconds. I'll go up to the cop.
Holy crap, guys!
That's
this is
literally
bad.
so. Dude, if she doesn't, we'll just go in there and blast her ears out. Just. She goes, call the police.
Guys, we've been sitting here for almost 2 minutes now. I think she's calling the police.
Yeah.
Did you knock or ring the doorbell?
I know.
Alright, knock again. It should not be taking her this long to get
No,
a
I
call.
see.
Is she coming?
No, she's still.
Does she have a phone on her?
Yeah, Dad.
Stay. Stay. Get away from the door.
We're all sorry, ma'am. It's fine.
Well, I'm sorry too. Fine that I'm giving you that you're the true owner of this stupid iPhone.
And we were filming a video. It's a YouTube.
Yeah, well, this is the only thing that we
Yes,
got
ma'am.
dropped.
This is
Sign
what-
this that you took it.
Okay, yes, ma'am.
And don't be on this street anymore.
Yes, ma'am. We're sorry again.
Because I will call the police
I mean-
if I'm disturbed again. This is a private neighborhood, and this is a private street, which is...
We're filming a YouTube video for this. It's just a...
For what?
YouTube. It's just a...
Yeah, I know what that is. For what? Why are you filming one?
Just for... It's a break video for my channel.
Okay, give me this.
Can you tell me what you're
This.
going to do with this stuff? Just have it, just...
I'm going to call the police with it if I see you here again, okay? That's what I'm going to do. I have your identification. I don't want to see you again. Get off my doorstep, leave,
Yes, ma'am.
okay?
We're sorry for
No,
that.
I don't care to shake hands either.
I
I don't
just-
want to be disturbed. I'm an attorney, and I'm doing work for
Yes,
a
ma'am. I'm
trial in
sorry.
there.
Okay, I'm
And
sorry.
get off my doorstep, get
Yes,
away
ma'am.
from my
We're sorry.
dogs.
We're sorry, man.
Alright, bye, Dad.
Have a nice day. Oh my gosh.
This is
Show them actually, they can see me where I'm at. Shoot. I blow the air horn right now. Oh, I've been spotted. He's looking straight at me. At me right now. Stop looking at me. Oh shoot. I didn't move until he goes inside, guys. He's still looking at me. Oh my gosh. Stop looking at me, boy. States for a YouTube video.